Welcome to PureTalk's In the Know video series. In this video, we're going to show you how to activate your PureTalk service. Whether you bought a physical SIM card or if you bought a device from us, the process is simple and straightforward. We're going to start by walking you through how to activate your service using a physical SIM card. If you purchased a device or even multiple devices from us, each will come with its own SIM card. Since each device is paired with a specific SIM card, be sure to keep them together during activation. If you just purchased a SIM card from us for use with your current device, this video will assist you as well. Before we move ahead, be sure you have your SIM card number. That's the 20-digit number printed on the SIM card, starting with 89, your email address, and the billing zip code you used to make the purchase. If you purchased one SIM card or several, you need to go through the activation process. To start, go to puretalk.com/simact and follow the on-screen instructions. Be sure to specify if you are porting in a number from another carrier or not. Once you've completed the instructions, power off your phone. If you're keeping your current device, remove your old SIM card and replace it with your new PureTalk SIM card and power your phone back on. That's it. You're all set. If you're having trouble determining the correct SIM card size to use, please watch our video on it. It's linked on the description of this video. Thank you for joining PureTalk. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.